Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy for Tuesday's tips. Today I want to address something. I saw someone posted something on a Facebook group, and she said she had been so depressed, with COVID and everything going on, that she hasn't been able to paint. And that made me feel really sad because I'm thankful that I've been able to do my paintings and do my videos, because that has pretty much been my saving grace for keeping myself a little upbeat. But that made me sad. So I got to thinking about that and thinking about inspiration. So when you're down, inspiration gets to be a little bit harder to find. So what I want to go through today with you is, I've mentioned in a lot of my videos about my Pinterest color palette board that I have. So I wanted to share some shots of some of the things that I've saved on my Pinterest board for you to look at and see what I'm talking about when I say I've just saved anything with color combinations that appeal to me. Some of them are even like home scenes, like living room scene or kitchen scene. What's the popular colors now for a kitchen? I mean, I like red. I have red, but I know everybody doesn't have red. And I don't really want to create every single piece just for my red kitchen, or, oh, guess what? My den has red too. So anyway, just a good place to go. Look at different color combinations and color palettes to get that inspiration for what piece you want to try to create. Another thing, of course, is nature. And right now, with fall going on, so many places are just beautiful. I was just in Charlotte, North Carolina, and it was absolutely beautiful, and a lot of color to look at there. We're turning a little bit here in East Texas. Not a lot of color yet. Only certain kinds of trees are really turned, beautiful red. But we're still hoping we get some more color going before the frost hits and everything's gone and brown. But anyway, so let me take you through this little, just a little screenshots of my Pinterest boards, and hopefully you'll get some inspiration too. And hey, if you've got some thoughts, don't forget to share them down below. All right, let's look at this.